Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn English with Mr. Bond. My name is Anna and I'm very happy you're here with me today. In this podcast, we learn English slowly, clearly, and in a simple way. So relax, listen carefully, and practice speaking with me. Today we are talking about something many English learners want, fluency. Many students ask this question. How can I sound more fluent when I speak English? Maybe you know many English words. Maybe you understand English when you listen. But when it is time to speak, something happens. Your brain becomes very busy. You start thinking about grammar. You start searching for words. And sometimes your sentence stops in the middle. Does that happen to you? Maybe someone asks you a question in English. You understand the question, but when you try to answer, your mind suddenly becomes blank. If that happens, don't worry. This happens to almost every English learner. Even people who speak English very well sometimes need time to think. And here is some good news. You do not need perfect grammar to sound fluent, and you do not need to know every word in English. Fluency is not about speaking very fast. Fluency is about speaking smoothly and naturally. It means your sentences connect together. It means your ideas flow easily. Today I will show you some very simple techniques that fluent speakers use every day. These techniques are small, but they make a very big difference. We will talk about contractions, connecting words, filler words, and the rhythm of English. We will also practice speaking together, so please repeat after me when you hear a sentence. Speaking out loud helps your brain learn faster. Before we begin, remember to subscribe to Learn English with Mr. Bond for more easy English lessons. And if you enjoy this episode, please click the like button. Also check the description below. There is a worksheet you can download to practice with this lesson. All right, are you ready? Let's begin. Let's start with our first tip, contractions. A contraction is when we shorten two words and join them together. Native speakers use contractions all the time. In everyday conversations, contractions are very common. For example, I am becomes I'm. It is becomes it's. Do not becomes don't. Cannot becomes can't. Listen to this sentence. I am going to the park because it is sunny. Now listen again with contractions. I'm going to the park because it's sunny. Can you me? I am happy. Pause. Now use a me. I am happy. Pause. Now use a contraction. I'm happy. Pause. Great. Next sentence. It is a nice day. Pause. Now shorten it. It's a nice day. Pause. Excellent. Next one. Do not worry. Pause. Now with a contraction. Don't worry. Pause. Very good. Last one. I cannot go today. Pause. Now shorten it. I can't go today. Pause. Perfect. Now let's practice a short conversation sentence. Repeat after me. I'm happy because it's a beautiful day. Pause. Great job. Using contractions makes your English sound smoother and more natural. So when you speak English, try to use contractions whenever possible. Now let's talk about another important fluency tip, connecting words. Many beginners speak using very short sentences. For example, I like apples. I like oranges. I like bananas. This is correct English, but fluent speakers usually connect their ideas. We use words like and but because these words connect sentences together. Listen to this example. I like apples, oranges, and bananas. Now the idea sounds complete. Let's try another example. I wanted to go for a walk, but it started to rain. The word but connects two opposite ideas. Now listen to this sentence. I'm tired because I worked all day. The word because explains the reason. Let's practice speaking. Repeat after me. I like coffee and tea. Pause. Very good. Next sentence. I wanted to go outside, but it started raining. Pause. Great. Next sentence. I'm happy because the sun is shining. Pause. Excellent. Now let's try a longer sentence. Repeat after me. I'm tired, but I'm happy because I finished my work. Pause. Very good. Connecting words help your ideas flow together. This makes your speech sound more natural. Now let's talk about something interesting. Filler words. Filler words help you think while you speak. Sometimes someone asks you a question and you need a moment to think. If you stay silent for several seconds, the conversation can feel uncomfortable. But fluent speakers often use filler words. For example, well, actually, let me see. These words give your brain a moment to prepare your answer. Listen to this example. Someone asks you, what is your favourite food? You might answer like this. Well, let me see. I think my favourite food is pizza. The filler words help you organise your thoughts. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. Well, pause. Let me see. Pause. Actually, pause. Very good. Now let's talk about rhythm. English has a natural rhythm. Some words are stronger. Some words are softer. Listen to this sentence. I want to go to the store. The most important word is store. Listen again. I want to go to the store. Now repeat after me. I want to go to the store. Pause. Great. Another important skill is linking words. Native speakers often connect words together. For example, pick it up. Native speakers say, pick it up. Another example, check it out. Native speakers say, check it out. Let's practice. Repeat after me. Pick it up. Pause. Good. Check it out. Pause. Great. An apple. Pause. Excellent. Linking words helps your English sound smooth and comfortable. Now let's review what we learned today. First, we talked about contractions like I'm, it's, don't, can't. Next, we talked about connecting words like and but, because then we learned about filler words like, well, actually, let me see. We also practiced rhythm and linking. Now let's do a speaking exercise together. Repeat after me. I'm happy today. Pause. I'm going to work. Pause. I like coffee because it gives me energy. Pause. Well, let me see. Pause. Actually, I like chocolate cookies. Pause. Great job. Now imagine this situation. You are meeting a friend at a cafe. Your friend asks, how are you today? You can answer like this. Well, I'm a little tired, but I'm happy. Repeat after me. Well, I'm a little tired, but I'm happy. Pause. Very good. Try to practice sentences like this every day. The more you repeat English, the more natural it will sound. Great work today. You learned several powerful ways to sound more fluent in English. Remember the most important ideas. Use contractions. Use connecting words. Use filler words when you need time to think. And listen to the rhythm of English. But the most important thing is this. Don't try to be perfect. Fluent speakers make mistakes too. Fluency is about confidence and communication. So keep practicing every day. Even 10 minutes of listening and speaking can make a big difference. Now I want to hear from you. Please leave a comment below and answer this question. What contraction do you use the most? For example, I'm, it's, or don't. We love reading your comments. And if you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to Learn English with Mr. Bond. Share this episode with a friend who is learning English too. Learning together makes the journey more fun. Keep practicing, keep speaking. And I will see you in the next episode. Bye, everyone.